Troubleshooting your air hydraulic single ram pit jack or jacking beam. Note that troubleshooting can be done with the pit jack still mounted as long as it is unloaded. If the cylinder is jumping or if max lifting height cannot be reached, it is probably due to oil shortage. Check the oil level. Correct level is to the lower edge of the filling hole in the reservoir. A slow jack can be caused by a number of things. Start by making sure that the air hoses aren't pinched or broken. Also make sure you have the correct pressure. 8.5 to 12 bar equals 125 to 175 psi. A clogged air filter in the air connection on the rear will also make the jack slow. Remove the cover and the filter and lubricator. Check if the filter needs to be cleaned or replaced. If the jack is still running slow, the air motor might be defective and needs to be replaced. If the jacking beam cannot be lowered correctly, it is probably due to a pinched or broken air hose, a damaged or bent piston rod, or rust inside the cylinder. If oil is leaking from the operation panel, the cylinder seals might be damaged or the oil level is too high. If the cylinder is leaking, you need to inspect the piston rod for damage. Testing the hydraulic pressure is always a good idea. Install a gauge, maximum pressure is up to 400 bar, on the cylinder inlet. Run the cylinder fully up until the hydraulic safety valve is activated. If the pressure is dropping, try first to tighten the release knob a little more. If the pressure is still dropping, disconnect the air hose beside the hydraulic inlet and verify that it is dry, also with the piston rod fully up. If there is oil in this airline, then the piston seals are damaged. If the air hose is dry, then the dropping pressure is due to a leaking valve in the pump.